Mas pinababa na nga ang down payment and monthly amortization for this modern house and lot na malapit lang sa Evia, Alabang at Airport for as low as 30,000 per month. At may free appliances ka pa upon turnover, kaya sure na panalong-panalo ka sa unit na to. May RF Watt pre-selling available tayo, kaya naman don't skip this video dahil sure ako ito na ang unit na para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo this year, 2025. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabito for another house tour, and for today we're here in Kathleen Place 5 in Bacoor, Cavite na flood-free and fault-line-free. At panalong-panalo ka nga sa unit na to. Paano ba naman kasi what you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover of the unit already. Complete finish, may fence and gate na kasama, at cemented na rin ang carport kaya wala ka nang iisipin upon turnover. And not only that, even the modular kitchen cabinets and mga closet sa bawat kwarto ay kasama na rin sa turnover kaya wala ka na talagang iisipin. This is a sample corner lot unit, may end lot din tayo, and of course inner lot units na iba-iba ang presyo depende sa pinaka-unit at final lot size na mapipili mo. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-layout ng bahay, maaliwalas tignan, mataas yung floor to ceiling height natin kaya naman well ventilated. For standard inner lot, may floor area ka na 106 square meters at may lot area ka na 60 square meters. Dahil nga complete finish na to, may 3 bedrooms ka, 2 toilet and bath, provision for a carport na covered na rin halos, and of course, meron kang service area na napakaluwag na pwede mo i-expand upon turnover. And upon reaching the second floor, ito naman yung layout natin with our 3 bedrooms. Likewise, maluluwag ang kwarto at mataas din ang floor to ceiling height natin at maluwag din ang ating hallway. At napakamura nga nito for its price na 5.9 million considering na Bacoor, Cavite at prime location na tayo. 50,000 lang ang reservation, 10% lang ang down payment, and the rest is through bank at may in-house financing din tayo. May RFO units tayo if nagmamadali kang lumipat at may pre-selling units din tayo na 30,000 na ang down payment. So paano? Tara tripping na tayo para ma-appreciate mo si Kathleen Place 5. Link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!